I'm Dr. Fiwad Mian. I own a practice called Neuro Wellness here in West Orange, New Jersey. Today I wanted to tell you a little bit about the book that I wrote about a year or two ago. It's called Getting to Pain Free: How to Make Your Body Stop Hurting So You Can Start Living Again Without the Need for Drugs or Surgery. So the impetus for this book really started years ago. So for myself, I've had a lot of issues with chronic pain and injuries, which started with some foot and ankle issues. And at the time, I went to the various different specialists and foot doctors and started getting procedures done, started getting steroid injections done, and realized that I wasn't getting any better. And then at the end of that, the doctor told me, well, you know what, maybe we just need to shave the bone down. So at that point, having already gone through previous knee surgery and some other surgeries in the past, that's not something that I wanted to do. And that's when I stumbled upon regenerative treatments such as prolotherapy, platelet-rich plasma, as well as stem cells. So that's something that I actively started learning about and then implementing in my own practice. And so over the years, what I did notice is that a lot of people were able to get better without actually having to go through surgery or getting steroid shots, which actually can cause deleterious effects to different parts of the body, including their joints as well as their soft tissue. And so over time, I thought maybe the best way of really sharing this information was actually putting it in the form of this book. And so in my office now, what we do is we actually share a lot of these books with people. We give them the links, we tell them to give them a read, so that basically they will get more information than what I could possibly give them maybe in about even a 10-second or 10-minute conversation with them. And so I've had a lot of patients who have looked at this book and felt really great about reading it and felt really interested in getting some of these treatments. And I've had many patients where they really thanked me for writing this book and then getting their treatments themselves. I myself utilize these regenerative treatments on myself too as well, and I realized the big difference I had with myself. And there was a point where I didn't have to go back to the foot doctor, and I didn't need surgery. I didn't need to get my bone shaved down at all. So if you're really interested in looking for other alternatives aside from drugs, surgeries, steroid shots, then I think looking at this book would be a good start, and then possibly coming over to my office for further discussion in terms of what you would need at that point.